I am sitting out on my garage. I'm on this little meditation pillow that my husband has loaned me or lended me, or I've just commandeered to sit and take photos when I'm photographing in this photo box on the ground. So I'm sitting on it. I like it. It feels good on my back. But anyways, I just wanted to hop on today to do a quick haul. I have 2 trash bags full of stuff. One is consignment and one is stuff that I bought from a local posher who is trying to clear out their closet. So I'm going to start with that one. Has my name on it. How cute is that? This has been sitting for a couple of days, so I feel like it's safe to touch it now, hopefully. I got this. This is so cute. Lafayette 148. This I think was one that she said had small flaws, but oh, it's just this. See, I can just cut that out. It's just these little guys right here. And so I think I got this for like $2. So anyways, that's pretty good. I like that. I haven't seen this stuff in person. I've just seen photos, and she has photos of it on Posh, so I can use them, which is awesome on some of the stuff. This is a Trina Turk sweater. I think this was one of the ones that supposedly had a flaw too, but like, it's like brand new, and it still has this little tag on it, so I think it is brand new without tags. This is, I think this is one is another Trina Turk. Oh no, this is Tula Rose. You can see it. Oh, and this one, the elastic is out of it. So that one might be a little bit harder. That might have been a bad buy on my part, but maybe I can do something with it. It's just a top, or sell it as is. Ooh, these. Call it spring. Actually just thought these were really cute and they were in my size, so maybe I'll wear them and then sell them. Like, how fun are these? We need a good party. These are like a great party shoe, and I'm like needing to go to a party with all this quarantine life, so that just gives me hope of the future. Oh, she gave me a little bracelet. How cute is that? My color too! Definitely I'm gonna be wearing that. Oh yeah, this one. See, I forget what I ordered because it was so long ago. This is super cute. It's like a crop top with or without sleeves, mink pink. I have this white linen pair of shorts that I got at the Benz like a couple weeks ago, and I was like, this would look really cute with it because they go super high, so like you need almost like a bra top. So anyways, I think it's mink pink. I think it's brand new. It is brand new. So I'll probably wear that and sell it. Band of Gypsies, size medium. I just thought this was super cute. It's new with tags. It's like a velvet romper with like bell sleeves. Like, and look at these shorts. This is so cute. Again, may wear it, may just sell it. We'll have to see how that fits because it's a medium. What did I get? This is cute too. Oh, Astar, A-S-T-R, the label. Cute one shoulder. Is this a dress? Yeah, it's a dress. I was thinking it might be a romper, but that's super cute for spring and summer. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is another cute little romper that ties. Look at these little cute little ties in the front and the back. And what is this one? I'm gonna butcher this name. Milalu. I know this, it's expensive. It's a size small. I forget, like it's, I think they sell it on LF and some other, like Revolve and some other websites. Ooh, these are not gonna fit me. I bought these thinking they might fit me, but they look really small, but they're super cute. Pistole, I don't know how you say this, but no, these are super freaking cute. Extra small. Oh, probably need a smaller medium. I'm getting a bigger booty lately. This I thought I got maybe for myself, maybe to sell. These items were all like pretty cheap. I feel like everything was like 10 to 4 to maybe, and then some of the damaged stuff was $2. So this is a bar 3. But look at how cute it is. I don't know, this might not fit me. I have to try it on. It's a medium. But I have a pool, and I've been into one pieces lately. I think it's just because my booty looks good, but my stomach is not where I want it to be. Rebecca Minkoff, these cutoff shorts. These are super cute. These actually might fit me because I am a bigger size lately. At 27, I might be able to wear these. But anyways, those are super cute. Gosh, I got a lot of stuff. I think I paid like $80 for all this stuff, which is pretty good. Oh, this I got, I think, for my mom. It's like a J. Crew summer like dress / cover up. I just thought it was really cute. I love my mom and J. Crew. I don't know, I just feel like it's like a classy mom brand. Tula Rose again, Los Angeles. These are a 26. These I might try to wear and sell after. They're cute though. Distress cutoff. What's this? Oh yeah, this looked cute too. This is a dress. Isn't that cute? Like a little like shift swing dress. Love that. Size medium. Couple more things. Oh, this is cute. Yumi Kim, I'm probably saying that wrong, but I mean, butterfly pattern. This is like such a cute classic dress. Again, it might be something that I wear to like an event. If we ever have bridal showers, baby showers, wedding showers again, after quarantine. We're amidst the coronavirus if you're watching this later, so that's why I'm saying that. This is a Elza J size 2, new with tags. It's like an off the shoulder. That's just like a cute dress too for spring. All this stuff is making me want it to be hot outside. A Lily Pulitzer dress, size 2 and like new condition. Super cute. 2 more things. Kate Spade, Dive Right In, like a periwinkle, solid bikini bottoms, new with tags, size medium. And last but not least, Alice and Olivia. Cute. I love Alice and Olivia. Their stuff is so cute. It's kind of like a linen top with like color blocking, black and white at the bottom, and then a zipper detail in the back. So that was all stuff I purchased. And then the next bag I'm going to show you is all consignment. This is from a girlfriend of mine who just moved back from New York, so she did say there's going to be some some coats in here, because I think she wanted to wait till she got back to see what she was going to get rid of. So, oh, this she told me it's brand new. She didn't wear it, but she accidentally took the tags off because I think she packed it on a trip. It is Olivia-ish. I have to look this up. Oh, this is cute. I can tell it's cute. I just can't really tell how it goes. Oh, it goes... Oh, it just hooks in the back like that, and then the back is open. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to find a stock photo of that for listing it, or try it on. This is a freshly dry clean Banana Republic. Super cute winter white jacket. What is this? Tencel. Oh, it's a Zara chambray shirt. She said it was mostly coats, and then she said she threw in a couple random things. Sugar and Lips medium, like khaki trench. That's cute. What is this? Oh, this must be her husband's. Peter's Rip Curl, like fleece or whatever, fur line, thick hoodie. What is this? Is this the Canadian Goose? Yeah, this is the Canadian Goose jacket. She said this is a duplicate, so this isn't authentic, so I don't know how or where I'm going to sell that. Her husband was convinced that he could buy a knockoff and it would be just as good and just as warm, so he spent $200 on a knockoff instead of, you know, the almost $1,000 that those cost. I love that. He's actually my friend too, so I love hearing that because he's hilarious. This is a Burton like snowboarding jacket. No, I think this is men's extra large, yeah. And one more, looks like. Special Blend large snowboarding jacket. Again, guys, this is like a brown tan. And that is my haul for today. So I picked all that up. I have a bunch of listings to do still from the bins today. And then I will get on some of this new merch and get that listed. Hope you guys are all staying safe in this quarantine, stay in place stuff. I hope you guys all have toilet paper and supplies. Reach out to your community. I am just struggling with not seeing people. My job, I've always, I work from home. I'm a reseller. I do all this out of my garage in my house, and so that part hasn't been an adjustment for me, but like I've had to build in social time, and that has been the biggest part for me, is like everything that I've built into my schedule, like working out and seeing my little and dinner with friends and those weekly events that I look forward to as my socialization time, because I am so isolated all day. It's really sad, and I miss those the most. So that's all I have today. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul, and come back soon, because I think I'll do another haul in another couple days, because I just picked some stuff up today, but I want to let it sit for a couple days just to be a little cautious.